Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can Zelle send money to PayPal? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. The answer is yes, Zelle can send money to PayPal. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. Here are the steps on how to send money from Zelle to PayPal. Open the Zelle app on your phone. Tap on the Send button. Enter the email address or phone number of the person you want to send money to. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Tap on the Send button. The recipient will receive an email or text message notification that they have received a Zelle payment. They can then log into their PayPal account to accept the payment. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. You can only send money to people who have a Zelle account. The maximum amount of money you can send in a single transaction is $5,000. There is no fee for sending money through Zelle. The recipient will receive the money immediately. Here are some of the benefits of using Zelle to send money to PayPal. It's fast and easy to use. It's secure. It's free. Here are some of the drawbacks of using Zelle to send money to PayPal. You can only send money to people who have a Zelle account. The maximum amount of money you can send in a single transaction is $5,000. Overall, Zelle is a great way to send money to PayPal. It's fast, easy to use, and free. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Additional tips. If you're not sure if the recipient has a Zelle account, you can ask them to sign up for one. You can also send money to PayPal using your bank's mobile app or website. If you have any questions about using Zelle, you can contact their customer support team. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.